In a groundbreaking development that's sending shockwaves through Washington, the Senate Finance Committee has just approved a monumental $2,000 direct relief plan, with the IRS already gearing up to distribute payments to seniors this November. This is the news millions of Americans have been desperately waiting for. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the latest stimulus and relief payment news that could put money in your pocket. The Senate Finance Committee's decision comes at a crucial time when inflation continues to squeeze American households, particularly affecting our senior citizens who live on fixed incomes. The committee's chairman made the announcement during an emergency session, emphasizing the urgent need to provide financial support to America's most vulnerable populations. The vote, which passed with bipartisan support, marks a significant shift in Washington's approach to economic relief measures. The newly approved plan includes a direct payment of $2,000 to eligible seniors, with additional provisions for those with disabilities and veterans. What makes this relief package particularly noteworthy is its targeted approach, focusing specifically on individuals who rely primarily on Social Security benefits and fixed incomes. The IRS has already begun mobilizing its resources to ensure a smooth distribution process, with the first wave of payments scheduled to begin rolling out in November 2025. According to senior Treasury officials who spoke on condition of anonymity, the payment distribution will follow a systematic approach similar to previous stimulus payments, but with enhanced efficiency measures in place. The IRS has reportedly upgraded its payment processing systems and implemented new verification protocols to prevent fraud while ensuring rapid disbursement to eligible recipients. The agency estimates that approximately 65 million Americans could qualify for these payments, with seniors being prioritized in the first phase of distribution. The qualification criteria for these payments have been carefully structured to ensure they reach those most in need. Individual seniors with annual incomes under $75,000 will receive the full $2,000 payment, while those earning between $75,000 and $85,000 will receive gradually reduced amounts. The phase-out completely cuts off at $85,000 for individuals and $170,000 for married couples filing jointly. These thresholds were determined after extensive analysis of economic data and consultation with financial experts. What's particularly significant about this relief plan is its special consideration for Social Security beneficiaries. The committee has included provisions that ensure these payments won't affect other benefits or be counted as income for means-tested programs. This means seniors won't have to worry about losing other essential benefits when they receive this relief payment. The legislation also includes specific protections against garnishment, ensuring that the full amount reaches those who need it most. The Treasury Department has outlined an ambitious timeline for implementation. According to their preliminary schedule, the first batch of direct deposits will begin hitting bank accounts by mid-November, with paper checks and EIP cards following shortly after. The IRS plans to utilize the same payment information they have on file from previous stimulus distributions and regular Social Security payments, which should expedite the process for most recipients. One of the most innovative aspects of this relief plan is its integration with existing government payment systems. The IRS has developed a new online portal specifically for this program, allowing recipients to track their payments and update their information if necessary. This portal is expected to go live in early November, giving people ample time to ensure their information is current before the payments begin. The economic impact of this relief package is expected to be substantial. Economic analysts project that injecting these funds directly into the hands of seniors will have a multiplier effect on the economy. Since seniors tend to spend rather than save such payments, the money is likely to flow quickly back into local economies, supporting businesses and potentially creating jobs. Some economists estimate that every dollar distributed could generate up to $1.70 in economic activity. Congressional budget analysts have carefully examined the fiscal implications of this relief package. The total cost is estimated at approximately $130 billion, which includes both the direct payments and administrative expenses. To offset these costs, the legislation includes several revenue-generating provisions, including closing certain tax loopholes and implementing more efficient tax collection measures for high-income earners. State and local governments are already preparing to assist in the implementation of this program. Many states have announced plans to set up dedicated hotlines and support services to help seniors navigate the payment process. Some states are even considering supplementing these federal payments with additional state-level assistance, though these plans are still in early development stages. The relief plan also includes provisions for exceptional circumstances. Seniors who have recently moved, changed banks, or experienced other significant life changes will have mechanisms to update their information quickly. The IRS has established a dedicated team to handle these special cases and ensure no eligible recipient falls through the cracks. Financial advisors are already beginning to counsel seniors on how best to utilize these payments. While the funds are intended for immediate relief, experts suggest that recipients who can afford to do so should consider setting aside a portion for emergency savings or necessary medical expenses. However, the primary goal remains to provide immediate financial assistance for daily living expenses. The approval of this relief plan has garnered support from various senior advocacy groups and organizations. The AARP and similar organizations have praised the targeted nature of the relief and the speed with which it's being implemented. These groups are also working to ensure their members are aware of the upcoming payments and know how to verify their eligibility. Looking ahead, the Treasury Department has outlined contingency plans to address potential challenges in the distribution process. These include backup systems for payment processing, enhanced fraud prevention measures, and rapid response teams to address any issues that arise during the rollout. The goal is to ensure a smooth and efficient distribution process that gets money into the hands of seniors as quickly as possible. Healthcare providers and social service organizations are also preparing for the impact of these payments. Many are developing guidance for seniors on how to balance these payments with existing benefits and healthcare needs. This includes advice on managing medication costs, essential services, and other healthcare-related expenses that these funds might help address. The timing of these payments is particularly crucial as the holiday season approaches. Many seniors struggle with additional expenses during this time, and the November payout schedule could provide much-needed relief just as these costs begin to rise. This timing was a deliberate consideration in the committee's planning process. The impact of this relief plan extends beyond immediate financial assistance. It represents a significant shift in how the government approaches economic support for seniors. The success of this program could set precedents for future relief efforts and potentially influence long-term policy decisions regarding senior financial security. As the implementation date approaches, various stakeholders are mobilizing to ensure its success. Banks are updating their systems to handle the influx of deposits, community organizations are preparing to assist seniors with questions, and government agencies are coordinating their efforts to ensure smooth delivery of these crucial funds. The approval of this relief plan also comes with enhanced oversight measures. The legislation includes provisions for regular reporting on the distribution process, impact assessment, and fraud prevention. This transparency will help ensure the program meets its intended goals and maintains public trust. For seniors wondering about next steps, the most important action is to ensure their information is current with the IRS and Social Security Administration. While no immediate action is required for most recipients, having accurate information on file will ensure timely receipt of payments when they begin in November. As this historic relief plan moves from approval to implementation, its effects will be felt across the nation. From increased economic activity to improved financial security for millions of seniors, the impact of these $2,000 payments will likely resonate well beyond their immediate distribution. The coming weeks will be crucial as the government prepares for this massive undertaking, and all eyes will be on the rollout of this unprecedented relief measure. Remember, we'll continue to provide updates on this developing story as more details become available, including specific payment dates, any changes to eligibility requirements, and important deadlines for updating personal information. Stay tuned to our channel for the most current information about these direct payments and other financial news affecting seniors and all Americans.